Hi all, welcome to the new video of problem solving using C. Before going to this topic, we need to understand the this figure, that is the category of data types. The data types can be classified into four: basic, derived, enumeration and void. In basic data type we have integer, character, float and double precision numbers. Then in derived data type we have array, pointer, structure and union. All these we have discussed in the first unit, and now we are going to deep details for pointer. So going to the definition of pointer. See, pointers uh, is a variable which stores the address of another variable, and this variable can be of type int, char, array, function or any other pointer, and this size of this pointer depend on the architecture. For example, in 32-bit architecture the size of a pointer is 2 byte, and this is also used for passing variables by reference. So moving to the advantages, it reduces the code and improves the performance. So it can be used for retrieving strings, trees, etc., and can be used with arrays, structures and union, etc. Now using pointer you can return multiple values from a function, and pointer makes you able to access any memory location in the computer memory. So uh, we are going to the declaration part of pointer. Consider the following example to define a pointer which stores the address of an integer. So here we have the pointer declaration: int n equal to 10, in star p is equal to ampersand n. So the variable p of type pointer is pointing to the address of variable n of type integer. See the chart. One more example: the pointer in C language can be declared using a star symbol, that is asterisk, and it is also known as in direction pointer used to dereference a pointer. So this is star, can be used to declare a pointer. And for example, in the star ptr, this indicates that ptr stores an address and not a value. To get the address of a variable, we use the dereference operator, that is ampersand. So the size of a pointer is 2 bytes. Now moving to the example pointer. Here we have a figure: p pointer, FFF4 memory location, then 15 is the value number, then pointer variable stores the address of number variable, that is f4. The value of a number variable is 15, but the address of pointer variable of p is a3. So by the help of star, that is indirection operator, we can print the value of pointer variable p. So moving to one example C program. Here we have the header file stdio.h, then int main, int number equal to 50, this is the value, then int star p, this is pointer declaration, then p is equal to ampersand number, that is the dereference operator. Then this p is equal to ampersand number stores the address of number variable, and printf statement is the to print the address of p variable that contains the address of a number. Then print value of p variable percentage, that is star p. We know that it is used to dereference a pointer, therefore we print star p, we will get the value stored at the address contained by p. So here is the representation in this figure. After executing, you will get the result like this. Here ff of 4, then p pointer, then value is there, then a3, address of number variable ff4, address of variable number ff4, then address of p variable is ff4, address of p variable is ff4, that is here address of p variable is ff4, then value of p variable is 50. Like this a pointer works. Moving to the dereference operator, ampersand operator. The address of operator returns the address of a variable, but we need to use %u to display the address of a variable. Here is an example. Hash include stdio.h int main, int number is equal to 50, print value of number is %, address of number is %u. Here is the address of operator represented by ampersand. You will get the result like value of the number is 50 and address of number is ff4, that is the address of the operator, sorry, address of the pointer variable. Now moving to null pointer. A null pointer that is not assigned any value, but null is known as the null pointer. If you don't have any address to be specified, then you can use the null value. It can be represented by using the syntax, that is, here is an example. In the star p is equal to null, this indicates that it is not assigned any value. In the most libraries, the value of the pointer is 0. Now here is a program to swap two numbers without using the third variable. As usual, header file is there, hash include stdio.h, then int main, then a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, sorry, p1 star p1 is equal to ampersand a star, p2 is equal to ampersand b, then printf before swap pointer p1 equal to %d and pointer p2 is equal to %d. P1 pointer p1 is equal to point p1 plus p2, pointer p2 is equal to pointer p1 minus p2, then pointer p1 is equal to pointer p1 minus pointer p2. So print / after swap %p1 equal to p2, then %d p1 into p2. This is the before swap we will get value of p1 is equal to 10 and pointer p2 is equal to 20, and after swap the value is interchanged, that is pointer p1 is equal to 20 and pointer p2 is 10. This is happened by using the pointer concept, that is the address can be swapped. I hope you understand. In the next class I will come with see double pointer and with example.